Welcome back to Overheat, the outside of a 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Silhouette, modern and sleek, with well-proportioned, clean lines. Lights, adaptive and matrix lighting technologies have been added to the iconic vertical LED headlights and taillights. Mirrors. For improved aerodynamics and a neater appearance, digital cameras are probably going to be used in place of conventional mirrors. Wheels. Cadillac-exclusive large 2.24-inch forged aluminum wheels. The advanced automated parking system helps with parking in confined places by using sensors and cameras. Interior. Driver passenger seats. High-end leather seats with multidirectional adjustability, heating, ventilation, and massaging capabilities. Materials. High-end materials include brushed metal, real veneer with like walnut or maple, Nappa leather, and fine textiles. Lighting. The cabin's ambient LED lighting may be adjusted to create a variety of moods. Marble or quartz worktops in the kitchen. Convection microwave, induction cooktop, and built-in sub-zero refrigerator freezer are examples of hidden appliances. Storage that is well organized and has a soft close mechanism. The master bedroom features a king-size or queen-size bed with a high-quality memory foam. Mattress. Powertrain and Performance, Drivetrain, Option 1 Hybrid PHEV, Cadillac's powerful V6 or V8 engine paired with a sizable battery pack and an electric motor. Option 2 All-Electric. The motorhome might be an all-electric vehicle with a long range and quick charging if Cadillac creates a suitable platform suspension in a range of road conditions. Cadillac's renowned magnetic ride control adaptive air suspension will deliver outstanding ride comfort and stability, braking on hybrid and electric vehicle types. Large vented disc brakes with regenerative braking are used. Connectivity and technology. All RV features, including lighting, heating, entertainment, and security, may be controlled centrally with an integrated smart home system via touchscreen voice commands or a smartphone app. A 360-degree camera system.